Hello, this is Fred Oberg, and I'm doing a tutorial on Joomla Akiba Backup, which is used to back up your website if anything can go wrong or will go wrong. Here we are in the administrator side of caloriesleuth.com, and what you want to do first is go to Components, Akiba Backup, and just simply click Backup Now. And let's see, we want to make some notes. We'll say pre-Kelvin search chart. And just simply click Backup Now. And this is going to take, I'd say, about less than 10-15 minutes. Good time to go get a coffee. Just a little bit about this. This is backing up the database, Joomla database. If you have a separate database, it's not going to back up that separate database. This is only Joomla related backup system. Okay, we are back, and Akiba has finished getting the backup files ready for you. Now all we got to do is, we don't have to, but we can click on the administrator backup files. Okay, this is what the files look like. Looking at this through the Joomla administrator side, the JPA file is the important file, along with the log file, 49 megabytes. It's important that you do not download it through Joomla, because there is a chance that through the browser, which is Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, whatever you're using, there may be an error while downloading, and you don't want to take that chance when you're backing up your files or getting this ready. So the safe way to do it is through a FTP client. We're going to use FileZilla, which you can get for Windows and Mac for free. You log in to the same way you would to your server. In this case, we're using iPage, and it's the same username password that you would log into iPage. So let's do caloriesleuth.com, and our username is sleuth, and there's no period there in the username. Connecting. Looks like I typed in everything right. I'm going to expand this a little bit. Let's go to, this is the remote site that we're looking at, the Joomla directory here. Let's go to Administrator, Components, Com Akiba, and then Backup. And it's a good idea to look at the date. Looks like I've done this tutorial a few times today, so I'm just going to pick one of these, and also the log file to download. Now you're going to be downloading it to your local site, or actually this is to your local computer. This is the root directory, the sign. It's a little difficult trying to find your way around here on Windows and Mac, so a good idea is to just go to the desktop, which you can do through Users, and in this case I named my computer Batcave, and then you want to go down to Desktop. And before we drag this over here, it's very important that we change our settings, our transfer settings, to transfer type, change from auto to binary. This makes the difference between using a browser and an FTP client. So we're going to drag this over here, and it's asking us for permission again. And there it goes. It's starting to download the log file first, which is fairly quick. It's going to do the 49 megabytes or 51 megabyte file after that, which can take a little while to download. So it's a good time to go grab a beer or coffee and take a break and come back. Okay, on a final note, after we've downloaded the files for Joomla Akiba, the next step for backing up our website is working through the Akiba Kickstart. That's basically another thing to download and set up for Akiba to get your site back up and running. If you have any questions, refer to the Kiba Backup Quick Start Guide. This covers everything from downloading what we did to actually taking your first test backup. From there you'd get a Kickstart running and going, and that is everything. Thank you for watching.